Yeah, welcome back once again to um, text animation class with Spingy Designs. Now we've deal with the text animation clip, which is done by the Legend app. So we've learned how to create animation clip of text with the Legend app. So the next thing is to merge those clips together. So if you have several clips that we have done, the next thing for us to do is to merge them together. And the app that we are going to use is the Inshot app. The Inshot app. So you can search for the Inshot app here and click on it to open. So when it opens, you have create new, you have video, photo, collage, then you have materials that have been done underneath. So for us, we are dealing with the video, so you click on video. So I'm clicking on video, you see the previous jobs that have been done there, then you create new, so you click on new. On creating new, you take it to the folder environment where videos are. So due to the fact that it's the recent one that we did, so you can easily find them available. If they are not there, that means that you have to search like this to know where it is. You know, go to the directory of where the respective clips, video clips are. So because they are here, so I just pick them, pick the two videos, then now once you click on it, on both of them, and you open, so it display together. So they are already merged together on the Inshot. They already merged together on Inshot. Now to give it a feel, you know, something to go with, so you can easily add sound to it, that is music sound to it. So what you do by adding sound to it is clicking on the music icon here, then on clicking on the music icon, you can click on tracks. So when you click on tracks, you have already made music that you can pick from. If you have a music that is on your phone, you can click on my music, then search for the music, you know, on your phone that you want to use. Then if there's a video that you love the music, probably maybe there's a video where a pastor is preaching and you love the message of the pastor, you can click on extract video to pick the video that you want to use the audio of it, so it will extract the audio of the video. You can try all these out on your own. Just play with them, just try them out, see what you can do. I can't wait to see the magic you guys are going to create with this. Anyway, now so to make it fast, by the end of this course, I'll be sending you guys a link for video, for music, several sound that you can use as background that I have as a material. So those are the free things that comes with it. So let me use this, and once you select it, you know, it will display. Now the way Inshot works is that it works on timeline, it works on frames. So if you notice that the frame that is being placed here is after the video has finished showing. So what you do is you click on it and drag. You click on it and drag. You drag it to where you want it to start from. Then you can now play, check it out. So one other thing that you need to know is that you can edit, you know, the song itself. You just double click. So when you double click, you can reduce the volume, you can increase the volume, you can cut somewhere out. For example, if the part I love in the audio file I have is like this, I can select it the way I'm doing it now, Then if I want it to fade out, to reduce drastically, reduce gradually, and if I want it to fade in also, to come from low volume to increase volume, I can do that also. Then if you are true, then you select the check mark, which is okay. Check mark, which is okay. When you play it, as you can see, it's fading in gradually, and because I've reduced the volume inside there, the volume too is reduced, so you can see edit it. So you can just try all these out. You can try all these out on your own work. So when you are through, just click on the select button here, and then it gives you a holistic view of everything that you have done. Then from there you can save. Your work. Now it will tell you the kind of quality that you want. I will advise that if you are publishing online, you need to use a low version. So most of the time I use 512. If I'm publishing online, I use 512 to save my work. Now the work is being saved. So that's that about how to use Inshot to merge several clips of legend animated text together. So when you are through, you click on save. When it's finished, then you click on save to save it to your gallery. Then if you want to send to any of the social media platform, you can click on them. I hope I've been helpful on creating a simple text animation. Don't forget that creativity is in consistency. So for you to be creative, you have to be consistent. You have to see other people's work, mimic it to become perfect and to create your own brand. Thank you very much.